Can you understand this story? Stay until the end to test yourself. Anna is at the airport. She has a big suitcase. Anna needs to go to the hotel. She looks for a taxi. There are many taxis outside. Anna walks to a yellow taxi. The driver opens the door. Hello. Where do you want to go? He asks. To the Grand Hotel, please, Anna says. The driver helps with the suitcase. He puts it in the trunk. Anna gets in the taxi. She sits in the back seat. The driver starts the car. They drive through the city. Anna looks out the window. She sees many tall buildings. Is it your first time here? The driver asks. Yes, I am here for work, Anna answers. The Grand Hotel is very nice, the driver says. After 15 minutes, they arrive. The hotel is very big. The driver stops in front of the entrance. How much is it? Anna asks. 25 euros, the driver says. Anna opens her bag. She pays with cash. Here is 30. Keep the change, she says. Thank you very much, the driver smiles. He gets the suitcase from the trunk. Have a nice day, he says. Thank you. Goodbye. Anna waves. Anna walks into the hotel with her suitcase. She is happy to be here. Learn with LingoStories.app.